Welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add new fonts to use inside Premiere Pro. For us to be able to begin, as you can see, I'm currently onto my Premiere Pro project wherein I've tested out a single font that I have downloaded, which is the Storybeam. For us to be able to do so, we're gonna go ahead and find and download a font that you like from a site called The Font. So here, onto my browser, we're currently here onto thefont.com. So feel free to choose in the font that you want to use. For example, this one, the Secret Thief. We're going to go ahead and click onto download in here, and it should go ahead and directly download onto your device. So wait for this one to be done. So this will go ahead and download a zip file. Just locate the folder once it is downloaded, and we're going to go ahead and try to extract this. So right click onto that one and then extract the files. Click on OK. And once done, it should go ahead and create a folder like this. So open the folder and it should give you an option to go ahead and install that. So simply click onto that one and there should be an install button here onto the upper part. So it should go ahead and prompt you the installation. Just wait for it. And once done, go ahead and try to restart your Premiere Pro or your device so that it could recognize the newly installed font. Now, right after restarting it, let's head back to Premiere Pro. Here, let's try to go ahead and find in here under the font, which is the Secret Thief, the one we recently downloaded. So if you click onto the drop down in here, you could try to search onto the search bar and you should be able to find that here. So if it should go ahead and change the font to the newly installed font, which is Secret Thief. And that's it. Adding new fonts to Premiere Pro is super easy. It gives your video a fresh, custom look. And if you think that this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.